What's up guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new in this channel, you are highly welcome. So in today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you how to remove belly fat using boiled egg. Like have you tried this before? Like, it's so super duper duper great. It's awesome, and it works really well. But of course, when you're actually taking some natural homemade belly fat drink, avoid taking soda. Avoid taking soda and avoid taking packet juice. Only take some natural fruit juice that you probably process yourself or you buy outside. Okay, that is actually going to replace the glucose, instead of using this. Okay, because this actually contains a lot of sugar. I'm in no way saying that don't buy that. You can buy it for a friend, but when you're embarking on your belly fat reduction regimen, don't take that. Okay, it's gonna work, and this home remedy would work so well. So let's dive into the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, and also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright guys, drop your questions down below, and let's dive into this video. Now this 3 days remedy is going to come in two separate ways. Okay, the first one is going to be moringa. This is moringa leaves. You can actually order it online, but mine, I got it very close to me. Okay, you can actually order yours online. So you have to first of all remove all of the stem. Okay, so you don't boil it with the stem. So that's basically what I'm doing. I got this yesterday though. It was very fresh, but now it's beginning to dry off. So I don't want it to dry completely. So I'll have to prepare it and make a tea out of it. Alright, so this moringa helps so much in cleaning the system, and it also removes belly fat. Okay, so we're just going to be washing this. So we're basically going to be needing water to sanitize this moringa leaf. So you have to wash it guys. Okay, you should wash it before making a tea out of this. Alright, so after carefully washing this, then you're going to transfer it into a pot. So you're going to be transferring this into a pot, pouring about 2 to 3 glasses of water or cup of water. Okay, and then you would boil it. So you're gonna also be needing egg, which is the main ingredient here. Okay, so what you're gonna do with this egg is that you're going to boil the egg. You're gonna boil it for like 5 minutes. Okay, let it be done, and then you're gonna take the egg like board, then you peel it. This is basically board. However you can take your egg, if you can take it halfway done, it's still okay. So this is your egg, and this is basically what you're gonna be taking in the morning. In the morning with this. So after your moringa has been boiled, you're going to be needing a cup and a strainer, and then you're going to strain out the moringa tea. Okay, now the one that is remaining in the pot, you can store it for like 3 days. Now this is gonna be your morning meal at about 10 or 11. When you begin to feel hungry, you're gonna take this without any honey. Don't take it with any honey or any sweetener, just take it like that, and then you take one piece of egg, or however you can take. If you can take two, it's still fine, but one is okay. So you drink this early in the morning before you eat anything, not like very early, but around 11, and then by 2 or 1 o'clock you can take your meal. You have to cut down on heavy fatty food and all of that. So your morning meal is ready. Okay, now let's go to the next one. So the first thing you're going to be needing is going to be cucumber, and then you're going to be needing very ripe pineapple. Okay, when it's very ripe, that's when it's going to be sweet, because you need something to replenish that urge for sweetener or for something sweet. Okay, so you should use pineapple that is actually very ripe. So this, with the combination of cucumber, is going to help you so much to maintain your weight, and it's going to fill your stomach. You're not going to be feeling hungry, and you're just going to be good. It's therefore going to remove belly fat and stomach fat. And also you're going to be putting in a little bit of lemon. Now you can choose to use lemon, or you can choose to just put in. So I have this already. Since I'm not going to be using that very huge cucumber, I'm going to be using this. I have this already in the fridge, and I'll just have to cut off the edge and prepare it. Okay, prepare it for consumption. Now just gonna cut. Alright, so now just have to blend. And for the pineapple. Okay, so after cutting it in pieces, I'm just going to be putting that into the blender. Okay, then I'll be putting in just a little bit of lemon. squeeze that in. Just a little is okay. And then I'll go and blend this and I'll be right back. Alright, so we're gonna be needing a glass, and here is a blended cucumber and pineapple. I don't know if I actually call it wrongly the first time. I'm just trying to be like, oh, did I call it wrongly? Okay, so you're gonna pour that into 1 glass cup. You're not gonna sieve it out, okay? You're gonna drink it that way. And this is gonna be your dinner. So you're gonna take this for breakfast, and this moringa tea and 1 egg, cucumber, pineapple, and lemon or honey. You can skip the lemon and replace it with honey. Take this in the evening. So invariably you're going to take only, you're going to be eating in the afternoon only. You're going to take your morning breakfast, you eat in the afternoon, and then you're going to take this for dinner. Nothing else for 3 to 5 days. Let me know why you're not going to reduce, why your belly fat is not going to go down, because all of those things is just going to go down. But meanwhile, if you want it to totally go down, you have to continually use it. Now you can some days you use the lemon inside of here, some days you use the honey, okay? So you don't have to take you don't have to take lemon every day inside of this juice, okay? So your breakfast and your dinner, so you only eat whatever you like, but in a very reasonable quantity. Don't eat to overfill your stomach. Just in the afternoon, in between those two, okay? And basically that's how you're going to remove all of those belly fats. And this is the moringa tea. This is how it looks like, with 1 or 2 eggs, depending on how you want it. So this actually tastes really great. Like if you're taking just this in the evening as your dinner, or just this in the morning as your breakfast, man, you are going to achieve that journey. You are going to achieve that aim of reducing or removing belly fat. It's going to be very helpful, okay? So that's it, guys. If you do enjoy watching it, please don't forget to hit on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please share this video. Don't forget to turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Drop your comments below, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Stay beautiful and bye, guys.